First part is preparation of installation disk. Open your browser and search Windows Server 2016. Click the Microsoft link and it will show you multiple downloads of each region. You click the United States server and it will start downloading for you. As you can see, it is downloaded. VirtualBox. Open your browser and search VirtualBox download. You can click the first link and the screen will show you multiple packages based on your desktop, and I'm going to click the Windows packages and it will start downloading for you. For this following part, you can just click next and follow the instruction. And once the installation is done, you click finish. After the installation is done, it will show you the screen of VirtualBox. Moving on to the step 3, which is installing the operating system of Windows Server 2016. Firstly, you need to click the new button and then you can insert a name. I choose to insert Windows Server 2016. Then you can click the ISO image and click other, then choose the Windows Server 2016 that you have downloaded earlier, then click open. Then you can skip unattended installation, and then you can click next, 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 and finish. Then you can click the start button to start the Windows Server 2016 installation. Then you can wait until it loads. After that, you can see that it will appear the Windows Server 2016. Then you can choose for time and currency format as Malay Malaysia. And then you can click next and install now. Then you can choose the Windows Server 2016. The second one, desktop experience. Then click next. I accept the license terms. Next. And custom install Windows only. Next. And OK. And wait for it to install. Then you can see the customize setting. You need to enter the username and the password. And then you can see the Windows interface. You can insert your password that you have set just now. And your Windows is ready.
For part number 4, setting up your operating system. First step, set time zone to Malaysian time. Choose Malaysia. Click next and install now. And the time zone will follow the Malaysian times. Step number 2, show system information. First, click Window. Click Search and type system information and click. System information will appear on the screen. Step number 3 is perform this partition. First, click Window, search Computer Management, click on the Disk Management, click on the first column and right click on the box and choose Shrink Volume. And click Shrink. And right click on the box like on the screen and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next and follow the step like on the screen until the finished box appears. Step number 4. Change Workgroup to IMD163. First, click File, click this PC, right click on the new volume and choose Rename and rename the column with the IMD163. Step number 5. Show how to create user account. First, click Window, click Server Manager. On the right, click Tools and choose Computer Management. Click Local User and Groups. Right click on the user box and click Set New User and fill the username, full name and password. Confirm the password. Click Create. Click User and the new user account will appear.
Firstly, click on the Windows icon and choose Server Manager. Then, click on the option Local Server and it will pop up the information it has. Then, make sure to slide to the side and click on the Install automatically using Windows Update. Then, it will show the page for Windows Update. Make sure to look under the update status and click on the box Check for updates. You can also click on the Advanced option and choose how updates are installed. Click on the File icon and choose the File Explorer. Then, make sure it is at Quick Access. Then remember to right-click on Desktop This PC and click on the Properties. After that, click on the Sharing part on the top and click the box Share. It will pop the page for file sharing, and here you can share your file to whoever you want just by clicking the file and then click the button Share. Firstly, click on the Windows icon and go to Search and search for Task Manager. Here, you can click on More Details and it will show you the details of Task Manager. While you scroll down, in here, there's your PC runs and application runs. You can also view the performance of CPU and memory. Then, you can also view on User, which is the administrator. Click on the Windows icon and choose Setting. Then, click on the System option. Then, scroll down and click on the About. Here, you can click on Rename PC. And you can rename your PC with any name you prefer. Then, when you are done, click Next. And you can choose whether to restart now or restart later. And if you choose to restart now, then proceed to click on Continue. In conclusion, installing Windows Server 2016 is a crucial step in setting up a reliable and secure server environment for businesses, educational institutions, and personal use. By following these steps, users can ensure a smooth and successful installation. So that's all from us. Thank you.